What up, Biscuits? It's your boy, Biscuit Benny. I recently did a trip with two guys, Doug and MJ, around Lake Erie, starting in Indianapolis and ending there again. We had Doug on his Triumph Street Triple and MJ on his Honda Shadow Sabre 1100. Unfortunately, my mic didn't work for the first hour of this trip, so I'm dubbing over this part. This will be a video series, so subscribe for the full adventure. As we were cruising along about 80 miles in, MJ ran out of gas on his cruiser. Little did we know there was actually an underlying mechanical issue. So let's skip ahead to the part where MJ ran out of gas.
Doug to the rescue. Looks like he's come back with some gas. Thanks, Doug.
Thanks, Doug.
Whoever knew we'd be using emergency services this trip.
Yeah, I was really hoping we would kind of ease into it.
Oh yeah. Watch as the gasoline goes in the hole. Glug glug.
Oh, it's so liquidy.
That's go juice. Ah, yeah. Yeah, we only have 4 miles to go, so. Oh my gosh, I can smell gasoline driving behind him. MJ, oh yeah. Look at that bike. That's the cruiser life right there. Coconut water, you're into that, huh? It's gas time. Well, we've all gotten gas. We're all ready to head back on the road. After that little running out of fuel escapade, this has been quite an adventure already. We're really looking forward to drinking tonight, that's what I can tell you.
Yeah, we've all done the thing that you told us to do before we got to your house.
Yes. Never let it go unsaid that I suggested drinking before the trip. Just kidding, kids. Don't do that. That's unsafe. We want to keep motorcyclists alive. There we go. 100 miles. That little red fuel container is bouncing around there. It looks really, really cute, you know? Oh, it's just jiggling. It's like a very sexual jiggle. You know, that bike is really seductive from back here because everything just keeps jiggling. Especially that left saddlebag, man. That thing's jiggle McJiggle queen. They're good and supple, you know? Just what I like to see jiggle. I just tried to kill switch you, but I missed. I always wonder, who keeps Long John Silvers in business? Do you know anybody who goes to Long John Slivers? Are your balls binding? Yeah, I sat on my balls a second ago, so I can't wait for that cold winter wind to lick my nipples. Are we about to lose MJ again, or? All right, Biscuits, we are stopped because the Cenas ran out of juice, but we're gonna get back into action here very soon. We're almost to our first stop in Defiance, Ohio. MJ's bike's having some problems. We're gonna try to figure those out tomorrow. Biscuits, we made it to the room.
Somebody's.
Oh, he got self-conscious. He's going to the bathroom to change.
I don't want my children seeing this one day.
Well, anyway, we made it. Day one is complete. What up, Biscuits? It is officially day 2, and we are taking MJ's bike to a dealership because it would not go over 70 miles an hour. He was just giving it. It's 1100, so it shouldn't have any problem with that. Anyway, join us on this adventure. We're heading up to Toledo today. We got Doug and MJ and your boy Biscuit Benny. We'll see you out on the road. I'm getting an epic shot of MJ right now. Look at this monster of a bike. Look at this bike. All right, Biscuits, we are nearing the dealership where we hope we can get MJ's Honda fixed. MJ says it just doesn't run well and he's getting the gas mileage of a Jeep, so yep. But listen to the beast. Oh yeah. I see the Indian motorcycle dealership. Here we are, Honda East. And here we are. Let's get service.
That was a great ride.
That was a good ride. We're getting wisdom from a motorcycle mechanic here at a shop in Toledo, Honda East. We got And One over here, recently renamed. We need to have a think over it, but it does seem like we may have a solution for the bike. We will check and we will see and we will get back with you Biscuits soon. Oh yeah. We're now on River Road in, what is this? This is Toledo, Ohio. Look at that beautiful river, y'all. We're getting a nice little detour. We've since done a few fixes to MJ's bike, such as new gas and seafoam. We've also tightened up his highway pegs, which were coming loose. Look at how beautiful. It is beautiful. Saw, dude. Now, viewers, this is the kind of detour that if you're on a road trip and you're not really stuck for time, you might as well go down some of these back roads and check out things you'll never see. You know, on the highway, you just kind of see a lot of concrete, but taking these side roads, you get a good view. Exactly. MJ didn't want to be on the highway because he's getting his feet back under him for riding, and now we get to see stuff like this. Look at these beautiful houses. All right, Biscuits, we are entering Detroit, the city of dreams, the city that will fulfill everything that you've ever wanted out of life, except making money and a stable income. Socioeconomic conditions are subpar, but my car came from here, so we are downtown Detroit. Check it out, boys. Look, the GM headquarters is right there. We're looking at GM's headquarters. It appears as though there's no parking. Wall Burgers, there we are. There it is. There it is.
How's it going? Do we just have one spot? We can all park in one spot?
Yeah, we could put 3 in one spot. It looks like you guys aren't super busy.
Okay. I'm just walking out later, it's fine.
We're at Wahlburgers. Check this out. Barbecue bacon burger. What did you get?
Sweet potato tots.
Sweet potato tots.
Boring burger.
A boring burger?
Bacon burger.
Hell yeah. Are you guys excited?
Very excited.
You more excited about food or Canada?
I'm excited to have something other than that shitty waffle we had this morning.
Amen to that. All right, we'll check back in with you guys later.
Hello, Biscuits. We're back after lunch. We did a trip at Wahlburgers and generally positive reactions. That's all I got to say. Now we're looking for some gasoline. MJ, did you like your burger? So, Five Guys better or worse? Five Guys is better. I understand. All right, we got to yeet in front of some people here because we are turning left. What are you doing, buddy? Dude, yeah. I do it for the biscuits. There's one pump. Somebody else take that. I'll take the far one over here. There's another open pump over here. Because how many miles you got on your tank?
75.
Okay.
71 somehow.
Man, I smell Swisher Sweets.
I got 1.7, so for 70 miles, what's that put me at?
Haha, 1.36. How did I burn less gas than you?
I don't know. My bike doesn't get good gas mileage.
Well, no, but it should, because you've got the stock exhaust and everything, and you don't drive like I do.
I mean, I got 46 miles to the gallon. That's pretty good.
75 miles divided by 1.41. I got 53 miles per gallon. Doug is very one-track minded. Remember, he's itching to go, so now it's time to go. Yes, we're trying to go to Canada today. What's that?
You gotta take the bridge. Yeah, you gotta take the bridge. They're not gonna let you take the tunnel on a motorcycle.
Why's that?
That's the rule. It's a hazard down there for motorcycles.
Well, how do we get to Canada?
You gotta take the bridge. Google it on your phone, the Canada Bridge.
Okay. It's good to know. All right, cool. Thank you.
But you might want to Google it though.
Oh yeah, I'll Google it.
All right, man.
Thank you. Whatever reckless thing I do, you must follow. Otherwise, our gang will break up. See that U-turn up there? That's what we're gonna hit. Get more rights. Get all those rights. Oh yeah! Woo! Oh, that is so loud. Yeah, this is pretty bumpy. But hey, look that's the bridge we want to get on. And there's Canada. So after that little fiasco not being allowed to take the tunnel, we now can take the bridge. I smell weed as well. It's probably coming from Canada. Hey, no re-entry to USA. You boys sure you want to go take this bridge to Terabithia? There's no turning back now, boys.
Catch us on the next episode of this series as we invade Canada, eh? If you guys enjoyed the content, like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next episode of this Exploring Canada series. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Biscuit Benny. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace!